How's everybody doing today? This is just a real quick video to go over everything you need to do for your graph homework. First off, you can download this graph homework worksheet. It is available in the link, your homework link. You do have 4 different graphs that you need to make. 2 of them I'm basically telling you how to make them, and the next 2 you get to decide what you want to do, what data you want to use, and how you want to make them. So the first 2 graphs you need to make are based on the border sheet in this graph homework worksheet. So this has got a little bit of data here. So first one you have to make looks like this. It is a column chart. It's going to have the years as the horizontal axis or the x-axis. Now this is going to be a little bit tricky because the wizard typically expects that your x-axis titles are going to be text, and this is not text. So you're going to have to go in and tweak up what the wizard gives you initially in order to get this to work. So remember how we did that. If that isn't clear, go back to the video on graphing, and there is a part in the Burton worksheet where I show you that. The second graph that you have to do on this data is a pie graph. Couple things. Notice it does have data labels, and they are percentage values. And if you can't figure out how to do this, go back to the video, the homework video that explains all the things we have to do for this graphing. The next graph you need to do is anything you want. If you're taking a biology course or a chemistry course and you think, hey, I'm doing this chemistry experiment and here's all the data and I want to graph that, you can integrate another course data into this. If you're thinking, hey, I love football or I love baseball and I just want to take a bunch of stats and graph them. My idea here is to give you something you're interested in graphing. Maybe it'll be a little bit more fun and useful to you. The last graph you need to do is a math graph. So it is going to have to be something along the lines of an equation. We did, for example, y equals 2x plus 3, and then we did y equals x squared, and then we did a really long one. Again, you can pick whatever you want here. It just needs to be an equation. Do be sure to include the math equation in your graph title so I know what it is you're graphing. So anyhow, have fun with these. Think about what you want to do here. Don't just do the absolute minimum. Do something that's going to be of value to you. Hopefully this explains everything. We'll see you next time.